Companies pay 5,000 USD for a one-day Claude training. No code, no product, no technical background. You walk in, show their team how to use it properly, walk out, and that's it. No development background needed, 2 weeks to learn. Session run anywhere from 3,000 to 8,000. This is the most overlooked business on the internet right now. And by end of this video, you will have everything you need to start it. Here is what actually happening inside companies right now. In 2026, businesses are switching to cloud in massive number. Almost every single one of them is doing it wrong. They give the team access, nothing changed. They wonder why. The problem is not the tool, it's that nobody trained them. No one showed them how to write a proper prompt. No one set a project for their workflow. No one connected to how their actual business run. That gap, that's the business. Traditional corporate trainer charge 2,000 to 5,000 USD a day. They teach Excel, PowerPoint, communication skills. None of them know Claude. That market is wide open right now today. And the companies will pay more for AI training than almost anything else because the ROI is immediate. You teach a team of 10 how to use Claude properly. They save 2 hours each per day. That's 20 hours a week, thousands of dollars a month just from one training. You don't need to be a developer. I want to be very clear about this. What you teach is practical, useful, immediately applicable. There are 4 things a company needs to know. 1. Prompt writing. Most people write prompts like search query. Write me an email. That gets average output. You teach them rule, context, tune, format, constraints. That one change gives them 3 times better output every single time. 2. Claude projects. Most companies have never seen this. You set it up live in the room, system prompt, documents, all of it. They watch every conversation, start with company's voice and knowledge already loaded. They think you're a wizard. 3. Workflow integration. Sales emails, client reports, meeting prep. You map Claude to their actual job, not theory. Their real work made faster. Number 4, team templates. By the end of the day, you leave them with a prompt library, 10 to 20 tested, ready to use prompt for their specific role. That's the thing. They will use every single day after you leave. That's the thing that makes them refer you to everyone they know. Here is exactly what to charge. Half day up to 10 people, 4 hours, 2 models, plus a prompt library, 1,500 to 2,500 USD dollar. Full day up to 15 people, all 4 models. Live project setup, 3,000 to 5,000. Full day plus a follow-up session 2 weeks later, 5,000 to 8,000. 2 full day booking a month, that's 6,000 to 10,000. 1 day each, zero overhead. The companies that pay this don't think twice about it. A single wasted hour across their team costs more than your fee. How to get clients? This is where most people overthink it. Don't. You need 3 things to get your first client. 1 free session, 1 LinkedIn post, 20 DMs. The pitch is 1 sentence. I help teams get 10 times faster, more out of a Claude in 1 day. Send that to operation manager, department heads, and founders, not at the big corporation. Start with companies of 10 to 50 people. They move fast. They can say yes on the same day. Run that first session for free. Get the testimonial recorded if they let you. Post about it. Say, I just ran a Claude training for a company. Here's what surprised me. That 1 session became your sales pitch. Your next 5 clients come from that post. How to learn this in 2 weeks? If I started this today, here is exactly what I would do. Week 1, use Claude for real work every single day. Set a project for 3 companies. Build the system prompt, write and test 3 prompt across different roles. You are not studying, you are doing. Week 2, build the training from Word. 4 models, select the prompt library template, Run a free session, get the testimonial, send 20 message, close your first client. By day 14, you are ready to charge. This is the most accessible AI business I have found. No code, no audience, no product to build. Just knowledge that 95% of companies don't have it. And they will pay well for someone to bring it to them. In the next video, I'm covering more AI business idea. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop a comment if you have any question. See you in next video.